Green Ammonia News tracks the growth and adoption of green ammonia. The inputs are practically limitless, simply green power, air, and water. Ammonia is one of the most important inputs to agriculture, and industry is adopting it as a carbon-free alternative fuel. Recently, a large chemical shipment marked a major milestone for the renewable ammonia industry. On July 28, 2026, the ammonia transport vessel Polar departed Shuwei Port in Lianyungang, China, carrying 3,750 tons of ISCC-certified renewable ammonia to South Korea. According to the Ammonia Energy Association, this is the largest volume of renewable ammonia exported to date. The environmental impact is significant. ISCC-based calculations estimate that the shipment avoids approximately 100,000 tons of carbon dioxide emissions compared with the same volume of conventionally produced and exported ammonia. We are witnessing certified renewable ammonia moving beyond production and into an international supply chain. This renewable ammonia was produced by the State Power Investment Corporation, or SPIC, at its Hydrogen Continent Green Ammonia plant in Da'an, China. The scale of the facility shows that this is more than a demonstration shipment. The plant is designed around 800 megawatts of renewable energy, with annual production capabilities of 32,000 tons of zero-carbon hydrogen and 180,000 tons of zero-carbon ammonia. Ammonia is composed of 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. The hydrogen production process uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is vented into the air. Next, nitrogen is pulled out of the air and bound to the hydrogen to produce ammonia, green power, water, and air. The site's capacity is significant. This shipment is equivalent to roughly 1 week's production. The project brings renewable power, hydrogen production, and ammonia synthesis together into one integrated value chain designed to serve an international market. Its first major milestone when the Hydrogen Continent plant began operating in July 2025. Since then, the facility has demonstrated its ability to operate under challenging northeastern Chinese winter conditions, including temperatures reaching as low as -30 degrees Celsius. The project reportedly experienced no safety or freezing events during this period. The next major milestone came on July 28, 2026, when the Polar left Shuwei Port, carrying 3,750 tons of certified renewable ammonia for South Korea. This marked the transition from renewable ammonia production to international delivery and established a new record for the largest volume of renewable ammonia exported to date. One of the important technological features of the Hydrogen Continent project is its flexible control system. Renewable energy naturally fluctuates, the winds shift, and the sun rises and falls. Maintaining hydrogen and ammonia production under these variable conditions is a significant achievement. In many electrical grids, renewable energy is supplemented by gas, batteries, coal, etc. This project demonstrates how this green ammonia industrial process can accommodate fluctuations in green power supply directly. Green ammonia can be produced with dedicated renewable energy in remote locations without relying on a large integrated power grid. The renewable ammonia began its journey at SPIC's Hydrogen Continent plant in Da'an, in northeast China. From there, the certified ammonia entered the transportation chain and was shipped through Shuwei Port in Lianyungang aboard the ammonia transport vessel Polar. Its destination was South Korea, making this more than simply a production milestone. It demonstrates that renewable ammonia can capture green energy and move it through an international supply chain, connecting renewable energy production in China with an overseas market. The shipment therefore provides a practical example of how renewable ammonia can become an internationally traded energy carrier. This project goes beyond the record-breaking shipment size. It brings together all the pieces and shows how the electrical and fuel industries could fundamentally shift. It links renewable electricity, zero-carbon ammonia production, green certifications, and international transportation logistics within one supply chain. We are witnessing green ammonia progress from a concept toward a commercially traded commodity. The 3,750-ton export provides a clear indication of the scale that renewable ammonia projects are beginning to reach. This shipment avoided the 100,000 tons of carbon dioxide conventional production would have produced. Over a full year, this facility could avoid nearly 5 billion tons of carbon dioxide. The key thing to keep in mind is the scalability of green ammonia. The inputs are simply green power, air, and water. Sure, there are production innovations that may come over time, but here, now, today, current technology is proven at an industrial scale.